Today I'm sharing with you the Web 2.0 tool that I chose to research called SlideRoll. SlideRoll is an easy program to use to create simple movies or slideshows and allows for a lot of creativity. You can upload your own photos, download photos from the internet onto the program, add music, captions, zoom, pan, fade, and offers playback options and a time frame to use while you're creating your slideshow. In my opinion, SlideRoll definitely enhances instruction in a classroom. Students can use SlideRoll to create their own school projects for different topics and enhance lessons by teachers. For example, a teacher could upload photographs to show the similarities and differences amongst cultures and how they dress, what they eat, and the different things about those cultures. Okay, so how do you use SlideRoll? Let's go up here to Slideshow Creator. Okay, now we have an option to upload photos, load a saved slideshow, start a new slideshow, or we can even import Flickr photos from what we've done in class so far. So let's start a new slideshow. Okay, these are all pictures that I've uploaded already. If I wanted to upload more though, I could click on Upload More. Okay, and then select Photos to upload. And there I can browse throughout my entire browser for photos that I would like to upload onto SlideRoll. Let's click out of here. Cancel. Alright, let's go back and let's go up here to Slide. Under Slide we can add slides. Let's click and drag the photo on catching and a few photos on throwing an overhand object. Okay, once we're done, press OK. So our pictures are now in this left-hand column. We have to click and drag the photo down into our timeline. This is where we'll create our slideshow or movie. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we've created our slideshow timeline down here. We have the photo we're looking at in the top left corner and a playback option up here on the right. Let's click on playback to see that. The playback option will show us what our slideshow will look like or what our movie will look like and the time that each frame will show for. Okay, let's pause and take it back to the beginning. Alright, and now let's go back, clicking on the photo, and we can add music, and we can choose our music, and we can add captions. The title of this photo is Catching. Okay, and the caption I want to put is, when catching, we want to use two hands, and we want to keep our head and eyes on the object, or ball in this case. Okay, once we're done, we'll click Apply. We'll go to the next photo, write in another caption. And this one is, we want to stand sideways. To begin our overhand throw, we want to stand sideways, and we want to keep our, actually take that back, we want to look with our head and eyes at the target. Okay, apply. Okay, the next one is, we want to step with our opposite foot. So let's say step. Okay, step with opposite foot. And I'll add in here, right-handed, step with left foot, left-handed, step with right foot. Okay, let's apply. Okay, from here we have the option to zoom and pan our photos. We can still add music, or we can watch our playback. Okay, for time purposes, let's save this. Let's save it as Screencast 1. Okay, project was saved. Let's publish so that we can overlay our captions. Apply. Alright, and now let's preview our slideshow that we've just created. It'll just continuously run just like a movie, and our captions, as you can see, overlay our photographs. Okay, let's go back. Okay, thank you. Now let me load a slideshow that I've done for class. Okay, yes. Okay, this is what I did for class. Let's preview the slideshow I created. Now, while I didn't add music to this one, I did go through all the steps of catching and throwing an overhand object as they related to the standard of skillfulness in the physical education curriculum for the state of Maryland on how to catch an object standing still and how to throw an overhand object. Okay, we're done with that. Okay. So how does this align with the NET standards and the 21st century standards for student learning? Well, through my research, I found at least one standard that it encompasses, and that was the one that I researched, Standard 3.2.3. Demonstrate teamwork by productively working with others, and that aligns well with students contributing to produce original works. As a teacher in the classroom, we could have our students create a project in pairs or groups using slide rule to create a presentation of their original work. For example, if I was a history teacher and assigned Great Britain as a topic for a group, the group could upload pictures and create a presentation through their photos, captions, and even add music that is from that culture to share and present to class. I hope you enjoyed learning about slide rule and all its wonderful uses in the classroom. I feel slide rule can be a valuable asset in the classroom and encourage you to use it in yours as well. This is my Creative Commons license.